This is a peculiar question. In the numerator, you have an equation and in denominator, a number. Whenever such question is given, solve the equation first. So 40 division 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3. And to solve any equation, use the order of operation rule known as BODMAS, where you solve for bracket first. In the question, you have two brackets, so solve them simultaneously. 40 division 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Now a common mistake people make is simply multiply 2 and 5, 10 and divide it with 40, so the numerator becomes 4, which is not the correct way to use BODMAS. Instead, in this step, simply write this 2 and 5 as 2 multiplied by 5 and then use the BODMAS rule where division and multiplication have same priority. And if both are given, like in this case, solve the equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it. So 20 into 5, the numerator becomes 100. Then take the denominator, 100 division 4, 25.